What's going on, everyone? This is Pikachu OTC from Simple Trade, and welcome to another review. And in this review I'll be talking about the company AAGC. And before we'll talk about the huge breakout with the almost 1 billion volume candle right here, we'll talk about what happened here and what caused this 80% drop of price. And before we go to that, we'll go quick to OTC market to understand a little bit about the company. And as you can see on the business description, it says that the company is currently focusing its effort on trying to finalize an acquisition. And also there is this shell sign, and the shell sign says that the company has no nominal operations as declared on its filings. Now let's understand what happened on June 8th and what caused the 80% drop of price. And as you can see on the Filing RE website, the company filed an amendment on June 8th, and in that amendment filing you can see right here the worst news in the OTC: reverse stock split, and the ratio of the reverse split is 100 shares into 1. So this is very bad news, and that's what caused this 80% drop of price. And after that there was a complete silence until the 12th of August. And what happened here with a little bit spike of volume is the following: the company announced that it has completed the acquisition and is quickly moving forward to an exciting industry. And they completed the acquisition of Hollywood Star Cuts from V Group, or OTC Pink VGID. And also you can see on their website that it is basically a hair salon, and that's right now their operating business. So that acquisition announcement got the stock price to go just a little bit, about 50% intraday, and then the share price went back down. And the reason for that is because the reverse split is still in plans, so the price dropped day after day until the end of August, start of September, where there were rumors on iHub that the CEO confirmed he will cancel the reverse split. But it is only rumors, it is only speculation. People on iHub can say whatever they want, and if you want to enter the stock because of that rumor, you are making a big mistake. And always do your due diligence, always do your own research. You need to call the CEO yourself, and you need to hear it from himself saying that there will be no reverse split and that they will fix the amendment they previously uploaded. Now what happened on September 8th is that those rumors were true, and as you can see here on the OTC markets under the news section, on September 8th the company announced that they would like to inform the public that the company will not be seeking a reverse split in the near future. And that's everything we need to know about this news. Everything else is irrelevant, because canceling a reverse split is very good news in the OTC. And just like the stock went down 80% on one day, it went up from 0016 all the way up to 0057, giving us 250% liquid gains. And if you were fast enough, you could have entered around the price of 0021, 22, 23, 25, basically all the way up to 30, 35, and you still could have made around 50 to 100% profit, which is absolutely amazing. And if you were on our Discord channel, you could have got the alert on the exact second that the news came out. As you can see right now on the screen, Demolished Stocks was the first one to alert it the second it came out. After that, OFEC and then me, we all entered that stock, and everyone else who was fast enough to enter bought the 0021 all the way to 0027, and we absolutely banked it out. So if you're not on our Discord channel, make sure to go in right now. And that's the story about the company AAGC. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment down below, tell me your favorite stock, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss any other future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.